This is B. Nagaraju, Government Degree College, Kurutla, Contract Lecturer in Botany. Today my topic name is Plasma Membrane. So these are my topic outlines. So what is cell membrane and chemical composition, structure of cell membrane and function of cell membrane and models of cell membrane. So what is cell membrane? Cell membrane is also called as a plasma lemma, and it is a biological membrane separating the interior of cell from outside of environment. It appears in thin section with the electron microscope as triple layered about 7.5 to 10 nanometers in thick. So the term coined by the plasma membrane Nageli and Kramer in 1855, and a plasma lemma coined by the J.Q. Plow in 1931. Now see the chemical composition of plasma membrane. So major chemicals are lipids, proteins and carbohydrates. Now see the proteins of this chemical composition. The four major classes of lipids are commonly present in the plasma membrane. So they are called phospholipids and sphingolipids and glycolipids and sterols. So these are the four major lipids are present in that plasma membrane. All of them amphipathic. So it shows the amphipathic character, and cholesterol is abundant in mammalian cell, okay, is absent in prokaryotic cell. So now see the proteins. So plasma membrane contains 50% of proteins. Amount and type is variable. Myelin cells contain 25% of protein, and internal membranes of intermembrane of chloroplast and mitochondria. Internal membrane of chloroplast and mitochondria contains 50% protein, and proteins plasma membranes are two types. So they are the ectoproteins and endoproteins. And plasma membrane contains structural proteins. Plasma membrane contains structural proteins and transport proteins and enzymes. So some of them act as receptors. Some of them act as the receptors. So these are the chemical composition of plasma membrane. They are lipids and protein. Okay, and now see the carbohydrates and some proteins are act as the enzymes. So they are the acetyl phosphatase. So acetyl phosphatase and acid phosphatase and ATPase and RNase and maltase, lactase and phospholipase. So they are the some enzymes act as a proteins in plasma membrane. So remaining is the last one is the chemical composition plasma membrane is the carbohydrate, and they are the present only in the plasma membrane. So these carbohydrates are present in the only plasma membrane and present in exterior and polar end of the phospholipids. Polar end of the phospholipids at the external surface of plasma membrane. So these are proteins. These carbohydrates also called as on the exterior position. It is called as glycoproteins. And now see the phospholipids. So these are the phospholipids are molecule has polar head and non-polar tail. Polar head and non-polar tail. So and polar head is charged and hydrophilic in nature. So the polar head is hydrophilic nature, but that means the head attract the or loves the water and facing outside for or outward. So contains phosphate group and glycerol, phosphate group and glycerol. And the monar, the non-polar region, the tail is present. So it is the tail is hydrophobic in nature. That means it hates water and facing towards contains two fatty acids chains. Okay, so it contains two fatty acids chains at non-polar region. So the phospholipids placed in water from spherical bilayer. So this is the point diagram of phospholipid. So this is the polar region. So this is the polar region. This is the non-polar region. So this is part is called as head. It is a hydrophilic in nature. This is part is called as tail. So this is the tail region. This is the head region. So tail region shows the hydrophobic in nature. So it shows the hydrophilic in nature. So this is the structure of phospholipid. So now see the structure of cell membrane. So this is the structure of cell membrane. So the cell membrane consists of a phospholipid bilayer. Phospholipid bilayer. So combined when variety of proteins in fluid mosaic arrangement. So arrangement is called as fluid mosaic arrangement. The surface of cell membranes are hydrophilic and the interior are hydrophobic. So interior is hydrophobic and the surface region membrane is hydrophobic in nature. So now see that these are the components. So these are the components of our plasma membrane. So they are phospholipids, cholesterol, proteins, and glycolysis, and proteins are major proteins are present. Some proteins are the middle portion, or they are called as integral proteins, and some proteins side arranged and outside they are called as peripheral proteins. So major plasma membrane compounds are phospholipids, cholesterol, proteins, and glycolics. So these are the major components. So now see the function of plasma membrane. So these are the now see the plasma membrane function. So the plasma membrane keeps a cell intact, and it is a plasma membrane is a protective bilayer. So it acts as a protective bilayer, and it also regulates the transport in out of cell. So it is called as a selectively permeable membrane. Selectively permeable membrane. And small lipids soluble molecules. So what type of soluble molecules are? Oxygen, carbon dioxide can pass easily. So water can freely across the plasma membrane. So and the plasma membrane function, the plasma membrane, in the plasma membrane ions, large molecules cannot cross without any assistance. So it allows cell recognition. So provide anchoring sites for filament of cytoskeleton. So provides a binding sites for enzymes and interlocking surface binding cells together. So they are called as junctions, and it contains cytoplasm in the plasma membrane. Now see the models of plasma membrane. So mainly models there are some models are there to explain the structure of plasma membrane. So the first model is Danielli-Davison model. Danielli and Davison model. So this model is proposed by the Danielli and Davison in 1935, and they were studied triglyceride lipid bilayer over in water surface. So they were studied, Danielli Davison studied the triglyceride lipid bilayer over a water surface, and they found that they are arranged themselves with the polar head facing outward. So it always formed droplets, and the surface tension was much higher than of cell. So this model is also called as sandwich model. This model is also called as sandwich model. So this is the Danieli-Davisson model. So this is the protein coat, and this is the lipids arranged in the bilayer. This this model is called as a sandwich model of Danieli-Davisson model. So this is the polar pores and proteins. So this is the lipid bilayers. So now see the Robertson, next model is the Robertson model. So this is the Robertson model. So this model is proposed by the Robertson in 1965, and he noted that the surface of the structure of membranes is seen in the electron micrographs. He saw the spaces of pore in the electron micrographs. He hypothesized that the railroad track appearance came from binding of osmium tetroxide to proteins and polar groups of lipids, and he proposed that this model is a unit membrane hypothesis. So it is a unit membrane hypothesis. Robertson model is also called as unit membrane model. So this is the Robertson model. So this is the exterior outside edge and glycoprotein coat, and this is the lipid bilayer. So next model is called as a fluid mosaic model. So this model is proposed by the Essinger and Nicholson in 1972. So the biological membranes can be considered as two-dimensional liquid. So this membrane, the biological membrane can considered as two-dimensional liquid, two-dimensional liquid, and where lipid and protein molecules diffuses more or less freely. So this is the important point of the fluid mosaic model. And Singer studied the phospholipid bilayer and found that they can form flattened on the surface of water with no requirement of protein coat. So it occurs in from globular protein. So this model is a widely and accepted model. So this is the popular model to explain the structure of fluid mosaic plasma membrane structure. So this is the fluid mosaic model. So this is the fluid mosaic model. So these are the lipid bilayers, and this is the proteins. The proteins are floated on the surface of the lipids. So this is the popular model of to explain the plasma membrane structure. Thank you.